Welcome to another railway photography video. I'm out in deepest Suffolk to try and get a couple of freight shots during my lunch hour with the drone. I'm between Newmarket and Bury Edmunds, and just over there is a lovely underpass where the railway passes under the A14. Redlands Aggregates train just about to come through heading to Barham. So I'm going to do this shot with the drone. We're out in open countryside, so it's all completely legal. I'm going to fly it and try and get a view of the underpass there. See how I get on. So basically I'm hovering just at the end of this hedgerow here, and you can probably see with the view there. I'm about a couple of 100 metres from the railway. I'm actually not that high up. I'm only 15 metres up above where I'm standing. I'm on a hill here, so it's probably about 30 metres above the ground. I can just see the drone at the end of the hedgerow, so all pretty good stuff. It's one of those spots really where you could walk down there and get some lineside shots. Not done it, but of course it's private land and potentially you're trespassing, although the drone in the air isn't, which is great. I'm standing on the edge of the road, so quite legal. Come on, where are you? Oh look, this one came that way. Well, I didn't see that. There we go, a going away freight. The stone train should be coming the other way. Are they going to cover each other up? Again, Traxi wasn't showing that one. The drone's 300 metres from me, so with the wind being behind me, I can't actually hear the trains. So sorry. Here it comes now. I can see it in the distance. Now the GoPro's a wide angle. I'm going to crop in a little bit, but I'm afraid there's no sound relevant. Right, focus. We're ready to fire. Here she comes. Beautiful lighting. And fire. Fingers crossed that's reasonable. It's now that I'm realising this probably wasn't the best spot to do a video, because unless I videoed with the drone and added sound effects, it's a little bit far off. But just shows what you can do with the drone. Yeah, it's a fantastic piece of kit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing. See you very soon. Bye-bye.